Hi everybody! In Lesson 10, we will review the if statement and its utility in a program. As a reminder, instructions in a Python program are executed sequentially. I mean, if you have a program as shown on the screen, it is formed of 6 lines of code. Once you run it, the instructions will be executed sequentially, starting from line 1 till line 6. No lines are skipped or repeated. This is true in case the program does not include one of the following instructions if, while, or for. The if statement allows the computer to make a decision in order to execute an instruction or not. Let us proceed with the following example. A equals 19. B equals 16. If A is greater than B, print, parentheses, quotation mark, A is greater than B, close quotation, and parentheses. Once you run the program, you notice that the message A is greater than B is displayed. Now, let us change the value of A to make it less than B. Once you assign to the variable A the value 10, and then you run the program, you notice that no message is displayed. This means that the last line of the program was not executed. This is normal, since the if statement did not take into consideration what to do in case the value of the variable A is less than B. For that, the if statement should include the else instruction in order to display the appropriate message, whatever the values of the variables are. Look at the following example. A equals 19. B equals 16. If A is greater than B, print, open parentheses, open quotation, A is greater than B, close quotation, close parentheses. Else, print, open parentheses, open quotation, A is less than B, close quotation, close parentheses. In this example, we considered the 2 possibilities. Once you run the program, a message is displayed according to the value of the variables A and B. What if the values of A and B are equal? In this case, we should take into consideration 3 possibilities. If A is greater than B, if A is less than B, if A is equal to B. To solve this problem, we should add the ELIF instruction instead of the else. Look at the following example. A equals 20. B equals 20. If A is greater than B, print, open parentheses, open quotations, A is greater than B, close quotations, close parentheses. ELIF, A is less than B, print, open parentheses, open quotations, A is less than B, close quotations, close parentheses. Else, print, open parentheses, open quotations, A is equal to B, close quotations, close parentheses. If you run the program, the message A is equal to B will be displayed. Change the values of A and B to see if the program will display the appropriate message. Now it is your turn to write the Python code in order to input today's temperature and to display one of the following messages. Too hot if temperature is greater than 30. Hot if temperature is greater than 25. Cool weather if temperature is greater than 20. Else, display, it is a cold day. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok in order to access additional educational resources.